Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let me show you how to send your first customer message in Intercom. First, go to Messages in the left sidebar. Click Create a Message. You'll see three options. Choose Outbound to start a conversation with a customer. Now, select your audience. Pick specific customers, segments, or everyone. Write your message. Keep it friendly and clear. Let them know who you are and why you're reaching out. Choose where the message appears. You can send it as an email, an in-app message, or both. Schedule it to send now or later. You can also set an end date so the message stops after a while. Preview the message on desktop and mobile. Make sure it looks right. Click Send when you're ready. Once sent, replies will appear in your Intercom inbox, ready for your team to respond. And that's it. You've sent your first message and started a conversation with your customers. If you send a message, let me know what it was about in the comments. See you in the next one.